Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. I came up with a pretty cool exercise right here that might help you guys that are struggling with running out. Now what I've got here is I've got the 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're going to run these in rotation. The key is we want to maintain the right angle on our next shot. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go ball in hand. We can place it anywhere we want on the table. I'm going to make it very easy, and I'm going to just cut this 6 in with a bit of a stop shot action to let the cue ball drift to the left just a little to create an angle on the 7 to easily get to the 8. I'm thinking way ahead here. I also need to have an angle on the 8 to get to the 9. Nice smooth stroke. Very simple. Never overstroke. I mean, I think a lot of amateurs, they overhit shots. You don't need to. So now I'm going to play some left spin and let the cue ball hit this cushion and drift towards this 8 just a little bit. Not bad right there, not bad. So now I've got this angle. Now I'm going to show you a couple of different shots. Let's go ahead and mark this. Take one of these paper reinforcements and move this over. And I'm going to go ahead and shoot this a couple of different ways. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go several rails and I'm going to try to put the cue ball about right there. I like this shot. I rarely ever scratch from this angle. So let's see if I can do this. This is low right. It requires just a smooth stroke. Low right. Well, that's perfect right there. I can run that out all day long. So now let's go ahead and put, and by the way, this 8 ball and this 9 ball are a couple of ball widths off these short rails. So now let's go ahead and shoot the shot another way. Now with this angle, if I just hit top, one of the problems is I'll probably come right back straight towards this 9 ball, and then we won't have a shot, a bank shot at best. Let's see if that happens here. This is just top. And sure enough, it's coming right back towards the 9. Okay, I got there though. It's a good shot. And that was just center ball. Center top. So now let's go ahead and hit a little bit of inside and a little bit of outside. Two different shots. The thing about the outside and the inside, we got to watch out about this scratch, and we got to watch out about that scratch. So inside, I'm gonna put about a half a tip of left top. And that's perfect right there. And the other thing is too, look at that. That could scratch if you hit that too hard. So we got to be careful of that. This is why this exercise is so good, because it's going to not only teach you how to, play the right angles, but also the right speed of the table with the amount of tip position that you put on. So now that was inside. Let's try outside spin. Now outside will put me over here. It's about a tip of outside. I hit that one a little bit harder, and that would have been a scratch. If I would have hit a little bit more outside, it would have brought it more this direction. But there again, these are all shots that I can make. I suggest that you set this up. Once again, let's just show you how the layout is. We've got the 8 and the 9 that are about 2 ball widths off the short rails. The 7 ball is 1 diamond out, lined up with the side pocket. 1 diamond. And the 6 ball is also 1 diamond out, lined up with the side pockets. Very good exercise. Probably the biggest thing that I think is when we set this shot again and we shoot it over and over, that part is going to help your game a lot. Creating the right angles is going to give you that sensation that you're easily going to get to the next shot. If you're too straight in, going to be very difficult. You're going to have to force the shot, and it's going to be a problem. Give this one a try. I know it's going to help your game. Leave some questions and comments if you have them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.